definitely you can understand any topic, any subject, right? You can write also good drafting, right? That's why I want to enhance my English speaking. Even though you see, we are Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere, right? You cannot tell your friend, I want to speak with you half an hour daily because I want to enhance my English speaking. But your friend doesn't have time to listen your words half an hour and they don't ready to correct your mistake, right? Because you cannot create English speaking atmosphere around you. Then we take this type of platform to improve our language, right now I don't know your native language, you don't know my native language, we don't have different option on our hands, then we have to speak in English, right? Means this kind of platform create atmosphere to enhance our language, and this platform provides language partner, right? Who created in this type of platform, we should gratitude creators, right? Because they, that type of people are, means their mission vision are different, right? Because they faced lots of issue to enhance their language, and language connects two people, two state people, two countries people. That's why language is a global language, global, right? Language is a, English language is a scientific language, English language is a official language, English language required in, means in a democracy, English language required in judicial sector as well, right? Then if you, because India is a languages country, all state have different languages, we cannot learn and speak all state languages, but we can learn and speak English easily, right? Then if you want to go to south part for traveling purpose, if you don't know their mother tongue and if you don't know English, how can you survive in there, right? Yeah, that's why we, at least as a Indian, we should learn and speak 4 5 languages, right? Not only all languages, at least English is mandatory, because if you write, then anyone can read what you want to convey your message, right? If you don't know how to speak, how to write, how to read, how can you communicate with others in future? If you want to join any department, if you have good knowledge about English and you can write good way, then definitely you, means build your, means personality inside office, right? Right now you are a student, who are good student, they have a, means all answer to every question, right? Because they are good communicator, they have good knowledge about subject or everything. That's why they are top in our college or in our society, right? That's why communication is a vital part in our life, right? Without communication we cannot do it. And communication means make two people, communication bond two people, and communication also break two people, two state, two country, right? That's why we know how to communicate with our relative, friend and family members, but we don't know how to talk with stranger and professional people, right? We have to learn how to talk with stranger, we have to learn how to talk with professional people, well educated people. Because if you talk with your friend, you cannot talk with well educated same manner, right? Yeah, right now I don't know you, you don't know me, right? Then we talk politely with courtesy, right? I cannot tell you like my friend, you cannot tell me like your friend, right? Then that kind of atmosphere also required while talking with others, right? That's why we are language learner, we are language learner. That's why language is a learnable skill, anyone can learn, anyone can speak. It is not a rocket science, it is not a big deal, right? But language, I know I can speak fluently my mother tongue Odia. I cannot speak fluently Hindi. I cannot speak fluently English. I can understand Urdu because Urdu and Hindi both are similar. I can understand Bengali and but I cannot speak fluently Bengali. But because Bengali and Odia both are understanding each other, I can understand fluently Bengali, but I cannot speak like them. But I can understand a little bit. I can also speak. And Bengali people, they can understand my mother tongue Odia, but they cannot speak like fluently like us. That kind of. In no, my English is good. How can you tell? No, I can speak 5%. I require 95%. Right. Because I don't have much vocabulary inside my head. Right. I have a passive vocabulary because while talking with others, I cannot use that vocabulary while talking with others. That is a big issue. I cannot speak with correct sentence with correct grammar with accuracy. Right. Sometimes I make mistake using preposition. Oh, mhm. Okay, complex. Okay, complex, sir. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh, okay. What is YouTube video? What is YouTube channel? Tell me. YouTube channel. Pardon? Yep, yep. Okay, Kamlesh sir. Right. And he is a YouTuber and he teaches how to speak better. Okay. How to speak better. Okay. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Then do you meet them? Okay. Okay. Do you meet them through Google or Skype ID or what else? Mhm. Okay. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Definitely. 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 I will try. I will watch and definitely I want to connect with him and because I'm a language learner, I want to search platform to connect with the people. That's why I'm here, right? Because if we talk, okay, three, three, okay, mhm, okay. Of course, definitely. Thanks for your advice and thanks for helping me to miss lead that YouTube. Definitely, I can do it because that's why language depends. Language doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score. It is required determination, devotion, dedication, self motivation, consistency, habit. Right? And illiterate people, they cannot read right, but they can speak fluently, right? Beggars, Mumbai beggars, street vendors, tourist guiders, right? That's why I told you language doesn't depend any kind of degree, percentage, any score, any medium, right? Because their learning is a different. Because that's why language is just equal to driving and swimming. If you want to learn how to driving, you have to sit on the driver's seat, right? If you want to learn how to swimming, you have to jump into water. That kind of, that's why it is a, you have to do repeatedly and continuously, daily, per day, regularly, like a drill. Then anyone, illiterate people, they cannot read right, but they have a atmosphere around them, and their learning is a different because they got atmosphere, they listen and they can speak. And tourist guide, all tourists